how to fix Valorant. Not opening isn't quick. If you want to fix this problem, right click on Valorant, go to properties, after that go to compatibility, and then click change settings for all users. You will find it like that. First, turn on first option, select Windows 7, go to run this program as an administrator and click OK and OK again. After that, type here game mode, and now turn on game mode, then go to Xbox game bar, turn it off, go to graphics settings, turn off this option. Turn on this option, close this window, restart your PC and try again. If that doesn't fix it, let's move to the next option, next method. Type here device manager. Now just click display adapters, right click on your GPU, click update, search automatically for update for drivers, and then make sure your driver is updated. Now just close the applications that you don't need here and try to open Valorant, and I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.